Hello viewers, I am Orko Prabhu and you are watching Next Tech. So today in this video I am gonna unbox this JBL Clip 3 Bluetooth speakers. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the unboxing. Subscribe our channel Next Tech for more quality tech videos and press the bell icon and press all to get notified every time I upload a new video. Here is the box packaging of JBL Clip 3, and on the box it's the branding information JBL by Harman and Clip 3 written on the box, and here is the clip function and 10 hour of battery life and the Bluetooth function written over the box, and here it's written as dare to listen and clip and play. So it's a very good speaker, and let's see the pricing information. It's written as 4,499, but on online websites like Amazon it's available on 2,699. So now let me cut the seal and open this box. So at first we are getting this type of compartment, and let me pull it out. So this is it. So this speaker is in something kind of a reddish pink color, and it's available on several other colors on online websites on Amazon and Flipkart. And this is the JBL Clip 3 user manual, and there is also a bright orange colored USB type A to micro USB cable for charging the speaker. So this is here, and the cable is made out of good quality, and there is also JBL branding over there, which makes it even better. And here is the speaker, so it's in a reddish pink color, baby pink color kind of, and here is the JBL branding over orange, and here is a clip. You can see you can clip it to any of your surface, so that is very good. And here is a rubbery material used over there, and here is a jelly type of rubber material used over there, which is very soft, and Clip 3 written over there. Here is the power button, and here is the Bluetooth pairing button over there, and front there is a cloth fiber material used over there, and here is the play pause button, the plus minus sound button, and the clamp is also very good. Here is a noise cancellation microphone, and here is a hinge where you can see the charging port of micro USB and aux port for music listening. So that's it for the overview of this speaker. Now we will go forward to test some of the songs in this one to see that how does it perform in music department. So now let me pair this JBL Clip 3 to my smartphone. So I'm turning it on, and here is the LED indicator. You can see it's blinking in a white color. Now here is the JBL Clip 3. Now it's pairing to my smartphone, and it's completely paired for audio listening. So now let me test few songs in this and enjoy the song.
Colors all around, but I don't see anything but blue. Get lost in the sound, go back to the start.
So that's it for today guys, and do let me know in the comment section what do you think about this product. This is the JBL Clip 3, and hope you like the video. Then press the like button, share this video as much as possible because I need your support as a new YouTuber, and press the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video, and subscribe our channel Next Tech for more quality and interesting tech videos. And thank you Sourav for giving me this unit for reviewing in this video, and thank you everyone for watching the video till the end, and stay tuned. We will meet soon. Bye bye.